Stemkit Conceptual Maths Grade 5. Division by 3-digit numbers. Let's learn how. Remember, divisor is the number that divides. Dividend is the larger number that gets divided. As an example, let us take 67,510 divided by 215. I don't think you know the table of 215. Do you? We know that, in the dividend, we need a number greater than the divisor to proceed with the division. 6 is lesser than 215. 67 is lesser than 215 as well. $675 is greater than 215. Let us start with that. So we have to divide 675 by 215. The principle of division is the same. We estimate by reducing the divisor to one digit. We do that by hiding 2 digits of 215. So we also hide 2 digits of 675. Remember, the number of digits hidden is decided by the divisor. And then, it is the same for dividend and divisor. This is important. So, we get 6 divided by 2. Estimate comes to 3. Estimate is not always correct. But it helps to get to the answer faster. Let us check the estimate of 3. 215 into 3 equals 645. Since it is lesser than our dividend 675, our estimate is correct. We go ahead with 3. We write 3 and 645 in the correct place. Subtract 675 minus 645. We get 30 and 1 from the dividend. Now we have to divide 301 by 215. We follow the same process. We hide the last 2 digits of both dividend and divisor, or 301 and 215 to get 3 divided by 2. Dividing, our estimate is 1. Again, we check our estimate 1 by multiplying with 215. We get 215. Now, 215 is lesser than 301. So 1 is correct estimate. Write 1 and 215 in correct places. $301 minus 215 equals 86 and we get 0 from the dividend. Now we have to divide 860 by 215. Going by the similar process, hiding the last 2 digits, 860 by 215 becomes 8 by 2. Our estimate, then, is 4. Again, we check our estimate 4 by multiplying with 215. We get 860, exactly. Our estimate, again, is correct. We go forward to complete the division. We get quotient as 314 and remainder as 0. This division is complete. As another example, let us take 76,380 divided by 285. We know that, in the dividend, we need a number greater than the divisor to proceed with the division. 7 is lesser than 285. 76 is lesser than 285 as well. 763 is greater than 285. We will proceed with the division. So we have to divide 763 by 285. Like we did in previous example, we estimate by reducing the divisor 285 to one digit. We do that by hiding two digits of 285. We also hide two digits of 763. Remember, the number of digits hidden is decided by the divisor. And then, it is the same for dividend and divisor. So, we get 7 divided by 2. Estimate comes to 3. Let us check the estimate of 3. 285 into 3 equals 855. Since it is greater than our dividend 763, our estimate is incorrect. We try with 1 lesser than 3. 285 into 2 equals 570. 570 is lesser than 763. So we go ahead with 2. We write 2 and 570 in the correct places. Subtract 763 minus 570. We get 193. And 8 from the dividend. Now we have to divide 1938 by 285. We follow the same process. We hide the last two digits of both dividend and the divisor. The purpose? To make the divisor single digit. 1938 divided by 285 becomes 19 by 2. Dividing, our estimate is 9. Our estimate may sometimes be far away from the answer. Pay attention. Again, we check our estimate 9 by multiplying with 285. We get 2565. Now, 2565 is greater than 1938. Incorrect estimate. So we try 1 lesser. 8. 285 into 8 equals 2280. This again, is greater than 1938. So we again try 1 lesser. 285 into 7 equals 1995. This is again greater than 1938. So we have to check 1 lower. 285 into 6 equals 1710. This is lesser than 1938. So this is correct. We go with this. We write 6 and 1710 in the right places. Subtracting 1710 from 1938 gives us 228, and we get 0 from the dividend. Now, we don't have to do all the multiplications again. We already have 285 into 8 equals 2280, which is exactly what we need. It pays to do these multiplications neatly on the side so you can refer to them if required. We write 8 and 2280 in the right places. We get remainder as 0. The quotient therefore is 368, and the remainder is 0. This completes our division.